Have you ever noticed that some men barely say a word, barely lift a finger, yet somehow remain in a woman's mind for days, while others try endlessly and still become invisible? It feels almost unfair, as if the rules of attraction don't make sense. But they do. What makes a woman obsessed isn't your appearance, your status, or your bank account. It's the psychology behind how you move, how you think, and the energy you carry into every moment of your life. Once you understand the 7 Stoic psychological principles that shape female attraction, everything begins to shift. You may even find that women start pursuing you, subtly at first, and then unmistakably. Let's break it down. The first principle is mystery. A woman's mind gravitates toward what cannot be immediately understood. When you reveal too much too soon, your fears, your hopes, your every detail, you remove the space where curiosity grows. And nothing drains attraction faster than predictability. Think about watching a movie when you already know the ending. There's no excitement, no tension, no spark. A stoic man isn't secretive out of manipulation, he simply understands that silence, restraint, and calm confidence often communicate more than over-explaining ever could. Let her wonder, let her connect the dots. Curiosity transforms into fascination, and fascination slowly becomes obsession. The second principle is emotional control. Most men fail here. They get irritated too quickly, show jealousy too openly, or react impulsively when they feel insecure. But as the Stoics teach, your power lies in mastering your internal world, not controlling the external one. Imagine she takes hours to reply or suddenly becomes distant. An average man panics, double texts, and crumbles under anxiety. A Stoic man breathes, stays centered, and returns to his life without forcing anything. That calmness becomes magnetic. She starts to wonder, why is he so composed? Why doesn't he chase like other men? And that question alone pulls her toward you. Third is presence. Not digital presence, not scattered attention, real, grounded, eye-to-eye presence. In a world where everyone is distracted, being fully engaged becomes a rare experience. When you speak to her, you're steady. Your eyes are focused. Your energy is calm and intentional. You're not scrolling on your phone or scanning the room. You're there. Women replay that kind of presence long after the moment ends, imagining it again and again. That replaying is the seed of obsession. Now the fourth principle, detachment. Most men misunderstand this. They think love means constant closeness, constant reassurance, constant effort, but real attraction needs space. A Stoic man appreciates what he has but never clings to it. He understands that nothing external is truly his, not status, not validation, not even love. So if she pulls away, he doesn't collapse. If she tests him, he remains steady. This drives her wild, because she can sense that he won't beg or lose himself for approval. She feels a subtle fear of losing him, and that fear makes her invest even more. The fifth Stoic principle is self-mastery. You want a woman to admire you? Master your habits, your time, and your direction in life. Discipline is magnetic. Think of the man who trains his body, reads, improves his mind, builds his career, and chooses meaningful actions over empty pleasures. He radiates strength. His life has depth. A woman looks at him and feels something shift inside her. If he can master himself, she thinks, then he can handle the world. Maybe he can even handle me. Respect fuels desire, and self-mastery fuels respect. The sixth principle is purpose. This one separates ordinary men from unforgettable men. Many guys put a woman at the center of their world, sacrificing their mission in the hope of being loved. But no woman wants to be your entire life. She wants to be part of a life that already has meaning. When she sees that your purpose comes first, your goals, your growth, your ambition, she feels admiration. And admiration evolves into attraction. A man with a mission doesn't chase. He doesn't beg for attention. His attention is a reward, not a default. That rarity makes her fight for his time. The seventh and final principle is healthy unpredictability. Not chaos, not games, but a life that is alive, flexible, and full of depth. Most men fall into repetitive cycles, same conversations, same routines, same energy. Women feel emotions intensely, and emotions thrive on surprise. A stoic man keeps his values stable but his actions fresh. Maybe one day you take her out somewhere spontaneous. Another day you invest time into your personal growth and become unavailable. Another day you share something profound she didn't expect. She can predict your character, but not your every move. That balance keeps her mesmerized. Now picture two types of men. The first gives everything instantly, endless texting, oversharing, no personal mission. He becomes predictable, familiar, and eventually forgettable. Attraction fades. The second man lives by these 7 principles. He holds mystery. He controls his emotions. He is fully present. He doesn't cling. He disciplines himself. He honors his purpose. He lives dynamically. What happens? She thinks about him at night. She wonders where he is and why he feels so different. She craves his attention because it is not guaranteed. She becomes obsessed, not because he tried, but because he became rare. This is the truth most men never realize. They give their power away by chasing, pleading, proving. They think affection is earned through effort, when in reality, it is earned through character. A stoic man doesn't force love. He becomes the kind of man who naturally attracts it. Calm yet powerful, detached yet passionate, present yet mysterious. That combination is unforgettable. Now you face a choice. Continue living as the average man, clinging, worrying, chasing, or embrace these 7 stoic principles and let them reshape your life from the inside out. If you do, you'll notice something remarkable. You won't have to chase anyone anymore. They'll be drawn to you. If this message inspired you, share your thoughts in the comments. Tell me which of these 7 traits you want to develop first. And if you want more videos that guide you deeper into Stoic psychology and self-mastery, make sure you subscribe to Stoicism Drive. You never know which lesson might be the one that transforms your life. Thanks for watching. Until next time.